Are you rushing the Form 1023 process? Are you in a hurry? You've got something going on, you're trying to get this done really quickly, and you're not taking the time to upload all of the documents that the IRS is requiring? Hang in here with me because I'm going to tell you the IRS is no longer processing substantially incomplete applications. And I'll talk to you in just a moment. Let me talk to you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your story is your mission. My name is Beatrice Adams, and as you know, and if you don't know, the mission of my channel is to teach as many people as I can reach how to start a nonprofit in their state and then how to be approved as a tax-exempt organization. I am teaching you step by step how to do this for free. So hang in here with me as we go along. But today we're going to talk about when you're in a hurry and you just really need to get that Form 1023 application processed really quickly. I'm going to tell you why they may reject that incomplete application. You think it's complete because you think, okay, I know I didn't do everything they said, or didn't answer everything quite like they maybe would have wanted, but I'm going to submit it anyway because maybe I have someone who's wanting to donate to my nonprofit and they've told me, hey, you got to get that money, you've got to get that approval done really quickly, and then we'll give you some money, okay? And that's okay. But don't rush the process. My mom would say all money's not good money. And I want to tell you one thing before I show you exactly what the IRS is talking about. You know, that they may reject certain applications and why, whether you'll get your money back or not, you know, your user fee. I just want to tell you, like my mom said, all money is not good money. So if someone is rushing you to complete this process, so that you can get a donation, unless they're offering a donation of $100,000, $500,000, $1 million, don't rush that process. Do not do it. You want to do this right, because when you rush, I mean, this whole process, this long form 1023, I call it long form. You may hear complete form, but it's not the streamlined easy form. This whole form is setting up the entire foundation for your nonprofit. It's laying out documents and things that need to be in place so that you can hit the ground running. So again, don't rush the process. And I'm going to jump onto my screen. Well, I'm not going to jump on the screen. That would be dumb. But I am going to show you on my screen what exactly I'm talking about, okay? Let me talk to you. And if any of you know WWE wrestler LA Knight, professional wrestler, that's where I get that from. That's what he says, let me talk to you. But it's real. Hold on. Let me talk to you. So at irs.gov, this is where you will go to see where the IRS is giving us more detailed information on their determinations process as to how they are rejecting incomplete applications. So just go to that search bar, just put in incomplete applications. I've already done it, incomplete application, and let's just search. It's a very friendly website. It's got all the information you need. Go out there and look at it, or you could, of course, wait on me. I'm going to be showing you those things also to put it more in layman's terms. But the IRS is giving us a wealth of information, and see right here, changes to the tax-exempt organization's determinations process. That's what EO stands for. Rejecting incomplete applications. So let's just click on it. So here it's telling you, we'll return your application package and user fee if you submit a paper form 1023, easy, then 1024, 1024A. I don't deal with those, but we're going to focus on the Form 1023 application. And right here it says, EL determinations will no longer process substantially incomplete applications. All right. So if you submit a substantially incomplete determination letter request, meaning you're asking the IRS to approve your organization as a tax exempt organization under 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code, they're telling you if it's substantially incomplete, they will return the application package and user fee to you with a letter of explanation. So they're not going to keep it. This is something they've updated. So they're not going to keep it. If it's substantially incomplete, they're going to return that package and they're going to return that user fee. And they're telling you right here to avoid that. If you want to know, make sure your application is completed or what they would consider to not be frivolous, so to speak, and you've actually completed it as best to your knowledge. They're telling you the things they're going to be looking for. Now, you know, I have a checklist. It's in the link below. That is what you need to be looking at for a more detailed list. But they're telling you basically they want to make sure you have that current version of the application form. You want to get it at irs.gov, right? Again, just go up here and search for it, Form 1023. Make sure you put the correct user fee. If you know it's a $600 user fee in there, don't get it mixed with the streamlined user fee, which is $275. The long form 1023, that user fee is $600 to submit that application. So don't put the wrong amount in there. All right. A signature by an authorized individual. So that's an electronic signature, and you're going to make sure that the actual individual that is authorized to sign off on that Form 1023 application is doing so. And I'm not going to read all of this. You certainly can do that, but I just wanted to let you know. I mean, they're telling you here you need an employer identification number, statement of receipts and expenses. All of these things are very important, or they're just going to automatically reject it. They're telling you that if it's substantially incomplete and you don't have this information, then we're going to reject it. We're going to send you your package back and we're going to send you your money back. Well, in this case, you're submitting it electronically, so probably they're going to just send you a letter that says, hey, you don't meet the requirements for Form 10, for the 501c3 tax exempt approval. Non-acceptance of Form 1023. Now, they're telling you if you attempt to electronically submit an incomplete, Form 1023, pay.gov, that's the system that you will use, the IRS system you'll use to submit that application. It's telling you pay.gov won't accept the submission. All right. If we determine your Form 1023 is incomplete or otherwise not acceptable for processing, based on Revenue Procedure 2023-5, we'll send you a letter of explanation and we'll refund you your user fee. So this is good. They're giving you your money, whereas before I said they weren't giving you your money. And in the past, that was the case, but now they have updated that information. They're giving you the information. They're giving you your money back, but you don't want that. You don't want your money back because you want to be approved. You send it to them because you want to be approved as a 501c3 tax exempt organization under the Internal Revenue Code. That's what you want to do. That's your goal. So that's why I say do not rush this process. Do not send in information and you know it's absolutely incomplete and you're just trying to get it done really quickly. There's a reason this is an expensive process when people actually hire out this the application to be completed for them. There's a reason, because it is a lengthy process and it's a very detailed process, and you must not rush the process, okay? Unless you've been doing it for years and you know what you're doing, that's the only time you can kind of go through this, but you still, it takes time. It still takes time to get it right.
So here, non-acceptance of the Form 1023 easy. It says if you attempt to electronically submit an incomplete Form 1023 easy, that's that streamlined application that's much, much shorter than the long Form 1023. Watch my video on why I say I don't care for this easy. Not that it doesn't work, but there's a reason I don't prefer it. However, watch my video, okay? I'll make sure to link it below. But it's telling you if you attempt to electronically submit an incomplete Form 1023 easy, pay.gov won't accept the submission. And then it goes on to say also once submitted, if we determine your Form 1023 easy is incomplete or otherwise not acceptable for processing, then they'll send you a letter of explanation and will refund you your $275 user fee in this case. All right. And I won't go into the Form 1024 because my focus is the Form 1023. So if you are indeed using that form, keep reading. All right. So do not rush the process, period. It's just not worth it. You're going to waste your time and your energy trying to complete this. There's no such thing as completing the Form 1023 application fast because there are a lot of supplemental responses that must go up with it. So be sure again to get my checklist in the link below, and everything that I have in that checklist is what you need to submit additionally when you submit this Form 1023 application. If it says non-applicable, then that means it's optional. But if you don't see non-applicable out beside anything that I have on that checklist, get to it. All right? Get it done. It's important.
Let me jump back in here really quickly. There's one thing I forgot to mention. Now, I know I've had people reach out to me. They have completed their package, but a little concerned about just sending it up to the IRS. They want me to review the package for them. So if you're one of those people, you have completed the package, you want me to review it for you, absolutely click the link below. I will tell you that there is a charge for that service, but I can assure you that it is a very valuable service. So definitely click the link below if you're stuck at a certain part, particularly this financial data section that we're getting ready to go over. You may need help completing that. Again, these come with charges. However, I will be more than happy to review your package for you before you submit it to the IRS, because there are a lot of things that it's just difficult to know. There are a lot of things that the application doesn't say need to be sent up, and it's just a lot of little intricacies. So definitely, if you want me to review the package, again, click the link below. If you want me to just complete the package for you, at one point I was not accepting new clients, but now I've opened that back up for new clients. So if you're just at the point to where you just really want someone else to do it for you, again, it's not a free service. I wish I could do everything for free, but guys, I'm sorry. But definitely click that link below, and I'll be happy to take care of that for you as well. So anyway.